Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, August the 28th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And what are we going to talk about this today? Well, our big trip to London, Ontario, that is. And if you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to talk a little bit about why or what $3,100 worth of fabric really looks like. We're going to talk about some other things too. We're going to show you some of the fabric that Walter bought. It wasn't just me, he did too. Although the 3,100 is only my stuff. But we're going to see what Walter purchased. We're going to talk about some projects that we've been working on. We're going to talk about a new microphone system that we used during the trip that I'm very impressed with. And some of the highlights of downtown London, Ontario. Yeah, you'll want to stay tuned for that. And some announcements and just other general updates and things like that. So I hope you'll be able to join us today, Sunday, August the 28th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then. Bye-bye.